guys, this is our Otto kit. In this we have 3D printed parts, electronic components and connectors. So let's start with this. These are the parts of Otto robot: head, body, legs and foot. So these are the electronic components. First we have Arduino Nano. This is a microcontroller. Then this is shield of Arduino Nano. This is used for protection of Arduino Nano. This is a ultrasonic sensor used for sensing, and this is a buzzer. So then we have 4 SG90 servo motors. This we are gonna use in legs and foots of a Otto robot. This is our third compartment. In this we have connectors and other accessories. So let's start with the assembly. So this is the body of our robot, and this is our ultrasonic sensor. So this ultrasonic sensor we are gonna fix in this area as the eyes of our robot. So let's fix it like this. It's easy to fit. For our legs and our foot, we are gonna use these servo motors. 2 servo motors for our legs and 2 servo motors for our foot. So before using these servo motors, we are gonna set these servo motors on 90 degree. So let's set all servo motors on 90 degree. To connect these 4 servo motors on 90 degree, you need Arduino Nano expansion shield and Arduino Nano cable. So in this our servo motor we have 3 cables. One brown cable is for our ground, red cable is for our VCC 5 volt and yellow cable is for our signal cable. So let's do the connections as per our code, as per we mention a pin in our code. So this is Arduino Nano, it's fit in this shield. So if first check positive and negative side in this and then connect, or if in easy language you can these 2 sides, this Arduino Nano this connection side and this side be in one side. So let's do connection. So connect this well, you can see from both sides. So let's do connection as per our code. So with 1 servo cable in 2, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4 and pin number 5. So let's we can connect here up to 12 volt supply, or you can connect with this laptop. After connection, upload the code. And your motor moves to the 90 degree. These 2 servos in this slot. The second servo. Okay. So this one. After done this, we are do same task process. After fitting the servo motor, we are gonna cut this shaft head like this to fit here. So fit in this gap. So you can put here like this. So, and we are gonna strip part on this shaft. So this part like this, with the screw, and this part is here. So we put this one leg here, and now we are fitting the second leg. It's like a press fit. Fit here with the screw. So fit it tight. After, for our foot, we are gonna connect this to servo motors, and also we need this type of connector that will be connect here in this area like this. And our servo motor will connect like this here, and we fit here from the screw. Same with this leg, we fit the shaft here. And this servo motor here. Like this. And after, from this side, we connect a screw. After fitting all servo motors, we are fitting this foot into this leg. So it's press fit. See this side, and a free side, like this press fit here. And the other leg is like this. So it's look like this. Before fitting this, we have to do one thing, that's these servo cables we have to pull out from this area. Like from this area, from bottom. So let's put that. So like this. We can put the foot. Same for this foot. This cable. So from here, this foot, like this, you can pull it. And fit it. So now we have all the 4 cables. So we have all the 4 cables of all servo. And in the area of head, in this head area, we are putting this Arduino Nano with expansion. We are fitting this here with our screw. So we are fitting here like this. After fitting all 4 screws, we can go for a coding part. So after fitting this Arduino Nano in the head, we are going to connect all these 4 servo connections in this. According to our code, our pin cables are 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2. We have to connect like left leg, right leg, left foot to pin number 5, left foot to pin number 4, and right foot to pin number 5. So after motor connection, we have to connect this buzzer into our board. So this is the part for the buzzer. Before connect this, we have to connect the jumper cable to this. So positive and negative. So positive white cable we are gonna connect to the pin number 13, and negative means ground, that we are gonna connect to the ground. So it's it. Black cable is for ground and white cable is for a 13 number pin. So we gonna save this here. Be careful. And it's like press foot. So after fitting, it's look like this. So from here you can connect Arduino Nano cable, or from here you can connect a 13 volt adapter. So 12 volt adapter. So let's see the part of